In my understanding, friends, a full mouth reconstruction, it is a planned and organized, remember, it is planned and organized, functional and aesthetic rejuvenation of the total dentition, which means we are treating almost all teeth in the patient's mouth. And this is a patient who is affected by either a periodontal issue or a biomechanical issue or a functional or a frictional issue and or a dentofacial issue, or often it's a combination of all of these together. And somewhere we are looking at doing this using conservative treatment protocols. Madaya, if you enjoyed this trailer from the crash course, why don't you log into mikeducation.com, click on the crash course and go ahead and enroll and register for the same. Because through 4.5 hours, I have described everything about full mouth reconstructions that will give you confidence to go back and follow this in your practice.